Hey guys, so today I'm just going to quickly talk about the new Colourpop eyeliner. Super pumped that they finally are releasing some liquid eyeliners. I am going to start off by saying I only picked up one so far, and it is a black one. It's called Numero Uno, and guys, I cannot stop using it. It even went over my Stila shadow, the liquid ones, like really perfectly, no skipping. I love this eyeliner. It does retail for $8, and I find that to be very comparable to drugstore prices, and I've bought eyeliners that are way more than $8 and they suck. So far I've been using this for a few weeks now, so I can't talk about longevity just yet. I'll probably touch back in like maybe a few weeks or so and let you guys know, but guys, I love this eyeliner. I highly recommend it for $8. They have so many sales and stuff going on anyway for Colourpop. So honestly, I really recommend trying it out. They do have other colors. There's a few other shades I would like to get because I love this formula. I like how it doesn't feather, it doesn't get skippy. I just absolutely love it. Like I said, I'll touch base in a few weeks about the longevity and how it's still working. But guys, I really recommend trying this. It's a great eyeliner, and I'm really picky when it comes to eyeliner. It's one of my pickiest things I am, and highly recommend this one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please be sure to subscribe. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.